Welcome back, guys, to the channel again. Last week we did an analysis on the Euro Pound. Just want to do a follow-up. I just want to do a follow-up video on the Euro Pound that we did last week. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so the Euro Pound, what happened? Okay, the Euro Pound hit our second target. And we have a little bit of retracement back down, but I think it's still okay for that third target to hit. Everything's still in contact. The lows are not being taken out. We had a little deep retracement based on the news release that came out. But on the 4-hour, everything still looks good. You can see the market, just top out a little bit here, but it actually breaks above here. So it looks like it's just going straight ahead and just push right through. Yeah, beautiful trade, very simple. That's the way I like it. Today I'm gonna actually do another analysis for you guys. Hopefully this would help, with your trading. All right, so let's get right into it. What am I looking at today? Pound US dollar. I like the British pound US dollar. We saw the pound making a lot of lows. Fundamental is to the downside also. So I'm looking to go short on the pound dollar. The pound dollar, yes, short will be my bias for this one. So yeah, let's graph it up and find that entry. Okay, as you know, on the larger time frame, I like to look at the market and see what's going on. Here we have our pound dollar going down. Got a larger picture right there on the daily. Let's graph it up. No. Switch to the 4-hour, see what's going on. So this is the 4-hour. It looks like it could still make its way down, guys. It looks like it could still make its way down. Excuse me, I'm on my laptop today. I'm not on my desktop, so bear with me. I'm not used to it on here. But yeah, it looks like we could still see some downside movement all the way down in here, guys. That's a lot of pips. My bias, it took out this area, made a new low. And when it take this area out, that's when it caught my eye. I said, okay, pound is definitely going down. I'm gonna leave this line here. But yeah, let's draft it up for the downtrend. All right, let's get our trend channel. Hooray. There it is. Oh, stuff is in the way, I'm sorry. I'm not used to doing it on the notebook. Bear with me today. Try my best to do it on the notebook. As usual, I like to clone my lines to make everything perfect. Also, let's do the uptrend. That break. Keep it simple, guys. I don't complicate it. Let's go down to the 1-hourly to see. Let's see if we could spot out our entry for this trade. So a lot of consolidation was going on in this area, and then we had a major breakout. And then the market pushed back in. I think this is just a retest due to the news release that happened at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, October 1st. We had a major news release that came out, and that's what forced the market up. But I think the bias is still for the downside. if I were to grab a replay, I could show you where the entry should be on this trade, and that, you know, this is just a stop hunt. Let me grab that replay. So I think this should have been the original entry somewhere around here. And I'm going to show you the drawing where I would get in this trade and how I believe it's still respected. Nothing changed but the news that, you know, fake it out, hit those stops for those retail traders. Go ahead and just draw this up. Let me grab the Fib. Fibonacci. So this is a break and retest. Like I explained earlier, the market fell nice. And this is just a retest, guys. It didn't, you know, take out the high. It didn't take out the high. So it's still a downtrend. You know, this area was never taken out. You know, this was never taken out. So, you know, this is just, you know, due to the news release that came out. But guess what? It gave us another opportunity to get back in the market, which is, you know, what I'm explaining to you, what I'm showing you guys right now, that this is a good setup that, you know, definitely, you know, once I get off this training video with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and place for a short position. All right, let's graph it out. Let's, you know, implement our take profit. So the market is currently right here. You want to just put it there. And then I will do an extension on this one. That's an extension on the Fib. Oops. Perfect. You notice how the 161 just sit perfectly on this trend line? Like that. Exactly what I'm looking for. Actually, I could take it down to the 241. Let me just push this back a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm on my notebook today. Notebook is not so great. I don't have my mouse with me, which makes it a lot easier, or a bigger screen. But yeah, so we're looking at 234 pips. Stop loss around 50, 60 pips. Not a bad ratio. I'm gonna keep my stop loss just a little bit above this line here. It's around 70 pips stop loss. It looks good. We had again, the reason for me going into this trade, you know, we had a breakout, and then we had a major retest, a major like a stop hunt retest. But I think the market was still trending down. It should go. It has some more room to go. Like I said, overall, long term should be somewhere down here to this channel where I'm looking for. But you know, that would take some time. I'm not going to sit here and wait for a trade to go that long. I just want to, you know, get out somewhere here. So let's target out our take profit 1 and 2. So take profit 1 will be at the 21334. Take profit 2, we're looking at level 20433. Those are my take profit 1 and 2. And if you want to hear the stop loss that I would be placing on this trade, my stop loss would be 23538. 23538 would be my stop loss on this trade. The risk reward is pretty much stable on this one. Oops, did I get line there by accident? Yeah, the ratio is good, 3 to 4. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's just top it off with my drip channel. My favorite tool for those who know me. All right. And finally, I wanna see some moving averages. So let's go to 50 on there. If the 50 is on the crossing over, that's what I like. I like to see the market flowing down. You know, I'm not going short on a trade that my averages are below. You know, that's just dumb. I don't trade like that. Okay, so we have the 100 crossing over, 200, of course, crossing over. Beautiful trade, beautiful. Again, going for 240 pips. This is a solid trade that I would go ahead and take. Again, guys, another one. Make sure you subscribe. I'll try and do, you know, a video like this every week for you guys to, you know, help you with your trading. Hopefully you will join the team. I will leave the description below for more details on joining my team. I'll see you in another one.